Good morning, Cal Gibbons, Operations Section Chief with the Oregon Department of Forestry, Team 1 on the shoe fly incident for September 13th. So go ahead and give you a little update of where we're at, and I'll tell you from camp this morning, the temperatures definitely dropped. So it's starting to get more of that fall type of weather feeling, and then there's a little bit more precipitation or showers in the forecast in the next several days. So currently we're sitting pretty good. You can tell by the black line on the map. That's where we show that area of the fire is contained, and then we're just working on a couple spots as far as trying to increase our mop-up depth. So over here in Alpha was the last division on this northeast corner that we got wrapped up. So as far as catching the fire and then getting black right to the road system or the fire line that we are using. So still mopping up in there to try to get to that 200-300 foot range to where we feel confident of leaving this fire kind of in a patrol status in the next several days. So the other thing that we've been doing is started to downsize resources. So you can't go from 1,000 resources to just 0 and walk away. We have to slowly trickle them off, and then we're able to reutilize those, so we're able to send them to other fires in the area that aren't as far along and aren't as doing as well as we are on the shoe fly incident. So we're able to get those reassigned. So that's, we've been in the process of that also. So just continue to plug away, and then work on the repair from stuff that we damaged during the suppression efforts. So if that be dozer lines or road systems, or putting in new lines, and then now getting things set up for winter and for erosion control. So that'll involve water bars and then pulling down berms that were also caused by generally dozers. So quite a bit of that work's going on. And then there's several lines on the interior of this fire where lines were put in, equipment lines, and then the fire burned over them. So not all of the fire lines that need to be repaired are just on the perimeter. So crews are going back into the interior of the fire, the lines that didn't work, and going back and repairing those as well. So just several things, still fire suppression, working on suppression repair, and then just trying to tie up all the loose ends on the incident, and kind of getting ready for a transition in the next several days. Thank you.